Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Chevy Cruze door without a key. First, always check for a spare key. It's the safest and easiest solution. If unavailable, consider contacting roadside assistance, as they possess specialized tools and expertise. Be extremely cautious with do-it-yourself methods, as improper techniques can cause significant and costly damage to your vehicle's door or its intricate locking mechanism. If you're attempting manual entry, a slim jim or a wedge tool can sometimes manipulate the internal locking rods. Carefully insert a wedge to create a small gap, then use a slim jim to try and hook the linkage. Alternatively, a straightened coat hanger might reach the interior door lock button, but this requires precision and patience. Remember, these methods carry a high risk of damaging your car's electrical system or paint finish. Sometimes, the remote key fob might still work even if the physical key is lost. Try pressing the unlock button. For a guaranteed damage-free solution, contacting a professional locksmith is highly recommended. They have specialized tools and training to open your Chevy Cruze quickly and safely. Additionally, your vehicle's manufacturer may offer services or guidance for lockout situations, so it's worth checking their support options. To avoid future lockouts, always keep a spare key in a secure, separate location, perhaps with a trusted friend or family member. Investing in a magnetic key holder that can be discreetly attached to your vehicle's undercarriage is another smart preventative measure. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Taking these simple steps can save you a lot of hassle and stress down the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.